Today's word is open. To open. 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 Close. Close. I opened the box. I opened the box. Now, that was a terrible job. Now, I closed the box. Closed. What's inside of this box? What's inside of this box? Cereal. Reese's Puffs cereal was in the box. This is lotion. Lotion. For your hands. Put lotion on your hands and they make them soft. 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 And it smells really good. It smells good. Open. I opened the lid. Opened. I closed the lid. Open. Close. These are called gloves. For your hand. Gloves. Jack is very open about his feelings. Jack is very open about how he feels. It's okay. To learn a language, you need to be open-minded. To have an open mind. It's a little baby teacup. Little baby teacup. For espresso. Oh. There's two little baby teacups. One for me, one for Jack. Baby teacups. You want to grab this one? Okay. This is a light bulb. A light bulb. Light bulb. You screw it. Screw it into the light. Screw the light bulb in. Screw the light bulb in. This right here. These lines right here. This piece. That's called the thread. You screw the light bulb in. Light bulb. What is that? What is that? What? It's a Nerf gun. A Nerf gun. boxing gloves. These are boxing gloves. Gloves for boxing. Of course, there's rice in the box. There was rice. 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 What is that? What is, that's big. It's a microwave. It's a microwave. This microwave was in the box. Microwave. Open. Close. Open. Close. I hope you can open your hearts and subscribe and like and comment down there. Thanks. If you have a word that you want me and Jack to do, we're open to ideas. Me and Jack are open to your ideas. We need your ideas. Like, really bad. Okay, bye. It was an open and shut case, Johnson. The case was open and shut. It was an open and shut case. The case was open and shut. Well, who opened the case to begin with? Who opened the case? Did you open the case? I didn't open the case. Did you open the case? No. 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 Please, no. Don't. Please. Don't. Don't open that. Me and Jack, we're open 24/7. If you got questions, we've got answers. Bye.